Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain Stig, and first of all I would like to welcome all of you on board Serenade of the Seas. At this time we would like to thank you for your cooperation in completing your mandatory safety briefing. We have a few more safety points we must cover. Immediately following this announcement, the emergency signal will be sounded. This in compliance with the International Convention for Safety of Life at Sea. No action is required of you at this time. This signal is for your awareness in the unlikely event of a real emergency. Thank you for your attention, and please stand by for the emergency signal. If you hear the previous emergency alarm sounded, proceed directly to your assembly station. Please note that all emergency exits are always clearly marked and illuminated. Illuminated escape route signs will direct you to your assembly station throughout the ship. Directional signs indicating the location of your specific muster station will guide you. Should you become disoriented or need assistance, one of our highly trained crew members will help guide you in the right direction using the nearest available escape route. Do not use the elevators, as they may not work if there is a power failure. Guests who might require assistance using stairs should notify the stateroom attendant in order to allow us to assist you if necessary. Once you have reached your assembly station, our well-trained crew members will check you in and will provide you with further instructions. Should it be necessary to evacuate the ship, your assembly station crew will assist you to the survival craft in an orderly fashion. This concludes our final safety briefing. Once again, we would like to thank you for your attention and cooperation, and now it's time for you to get back and enjoy your cruise vacation. Thank you.